फर्स्ट सेंटेंसेस, क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? विल यू हेल्प मी? विल यू हेल्प मी? तुम यहाँ कैसे पहुँचे? हाउ डिड यू गेट हियर? हाउ डिड यू गेट हियर? मुझे अपनी किताब दे दो। गिव मी योर बुक। गिव मी योर बुक। तुम्हारा काम कब खत्म होगा? When will your work finish? When will your work finish? क्या ये तुम्हारा फोन है? Is this your phone? Is this your phone? तुम क्या देख रहे हो? What are you watching? What are you watching? नेक्स्ट है, मुझे खाना पसंद नहीं है। I don't like the food. I don't like the food. तुम कहाँ काम करते हो? Where do you work? Where do you work? क्या ये सच में काम करेगा? Will this really work? Will this really work? तुमने अपनी छुट्टियाँ कैसे बिताई? How did you spend your vacation? How did you spend your vacation? यहाँ बैठो और इंतजार करो। Sit here and wait. Sit here and wait. क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? तुम कितने साल के हो? How old are you? How old are you? क्या तुमने खाना खा लिया? Have you eaten? Have you eaten? यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? What's happening here? What's happening here? तुम्हारी योजना क्या है? What's your plan? What's your plan? क्या तुम कुछ छुपा रहे हो? Are you hiding something? Are you hiding something? तुम क्या खाना चाहते हो? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? तुमने ये क्यों किया? Why did you do this? Why did you do this? क्या तुम्हारे पास समय है? Do you have time? Do you have time? क्या तुम कल मिलोगे? Will you meet me tomorrow? Will you meet me tomorrow? ये कैसे काम करता है? How does this work? How does this work? तुम्हारा पसंदीदा खेल क्या है? What's your favorite game? What's your favorite game? क्या तुम मुझे समझते हो? Do you understand me? Do you understand me? मुझे नहीं पता क्या करना है। I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. तुम कब लौटोगे? When will you return? When will you return? क्या तुम सच बोल रहे हो? Are you telling the truth? Are you telling the truth? क्या तुमने उसे देखा? Did you see her? Did you see her? तुम किसी से बात कर रही थी? Who were you talking to? Who were you talking to? क्या तुमने मेरी बात सुनी? Did you hear me? Did you hear me? तुमने मेरी मदद क्यों नहीं की? Why didn't you help me? Why didn't you help me? तुम्हारा बैग कहाँ है? Where is your bag? Where is your bag? तुम क्यों लेट हो? Why are you late? Why are you late? क्या हम एक साथ चल सकते हैं? Can we walk together? Can we walk together? क्या तुम मेरी तरफ हो? Are you on my side? Are you on my side? किसका इंतजार कर रहे हो? Who are you waiting for? Who are you waiting for? यहाँ इतनी भीड़ क्यों है? Why is it so crowded here? Why is it so crowded here? क्या तुम ये कर सकते हो? Can you do this? Can you do this? तुम कौन से खेल खेलते हो? What games do you play? What games do you play? तुम किसके साथ जा रहे हो? Who are you going with? Who are you going with? क्या हम एक बार फिर से मिल सकते हैं? Can we meet again? Can we meet again? तुमने अपने काम का क्या किया? What did you do with your work? What did you do with your work? तुम मुझे कब कॉल करोगे? When will you call me? When will you call me? यहाँ मत रुको. Don't stop here. Don't stop here. तुम्हें मुझसे क्या चाहिए? What do you need from me? What do you need from me? क्या तुम मुझे माफ कर सकते हो? Can you forgive me? Can you forgive me? क्या तुम मुझे समझ सकते हो? Can you explain it to me? Can you explain it to me? तुम किसके साथ खेल रहे हो? Who are you playing with? Who are you playing with? ये किसका विचार था? Whose idea was this? Whose idea was this? क्या तुम्हारे पास समय है? Do you have time? Do you have time? ये किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? क्या ये तुम्हारा निर्णय है? Is this your decision? Is this your decision? क्या तुमने सही समय देखा? Did you check the time? Did you check the time? तुमने उसे कहाँ देखा? Where did you see him? Where did you see him? तुम कब तैयार होंगे? When will you be ready? When will you be ready? तुम मुझे क्यों बुला रहे हो? Why are you calling me? Why are you calling me? क्या तुम ये मेरे लिए कर सकते हो? Can you do this for me? Can you do this for me? क्या तुमने कभी झूठ बोला है? Have you ever lied? Have you ever lied? तुम मुझे किस समय मिलोगे? What time will you meet me? What time will you meet me? तुम्हें किसने बुलाया? Who called you? Who called you? क्या तुमने इसे लिखा है? Did you write this? Did you write this? ये कितनी देर तक चलेगा? How long will this last? How long will this last? क्या तुम मेरे साथ आ रहे हो? Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? तुम्हें किससे बात करनी है? Who do you need to talk to? Who do you need to talk to? क्या तुम इसे समझ सकते हो? Can you understand this? Can you understand this? तुमने उसे कब देखा? When did you see him? When did you see him? ये काम कब खत्म होगा? When will this work be done? When will this work be done? तुम यहाँ क्यों हो? Why are you here? वाई आर यू हियर? क्या तुम अभी तक जाग रहे हो? आर यू स्टिल अवेक? आर यू स्टिल अवेक? तुमने ये कब खरीदा? When did you buy this? When did you buy this? तुम मुझे कब बताओगे? When will you tell me? When will you tell me? यहाँ से क्यों चले गए? Why did you leave from here? Why did you leave from here? तुम कौन सा खाना पसंद करते हो? What food do you like? What food do you like? क्या तुम मुझे अपना नंबर दे सकते हो? Can you give me your number? Can you give me your number? तुम किसके साथ खाना खा रहे हो? Who are you eating with? Who are you eating with? क्या ये तुम्हारे लिए मुश्किल था? Was this difficult for you? Was this difficult for you? तुम यहाँ कैसे आए? How did you come here? How did you come here? तुम कब से यहाँ हो? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? क्या तुमने मुझे सुना? Did you hear me? Did you hear me? क्या तुम मेरे साथ आओगे? Will you come with me? Will you come with me? तुम्हें क्यों देर हो रही है? Why are you getting late? Why are you getting late? क्या तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you angry with me? Are you angry with me? तुम्हारे पास कितने पैसे हैं? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? क्या तुमने दरवाजा बंद किया? Did you lock the door? Did you lock the door? तुमने क्या देखा? What did you see? What did you see? क्या तुम अभी तक काम कर रहे हो? Are you still working? Are you still working? तुम कौन सा रंग पसंद करते हो? What color do you like? What color do you like? तुमने इसे कहाँ रखा? Where did you put it? Where did you put it? क्या तुम मुझे जानते हो? Do you know him? Do you know him? तुम किससे मिलने जा रहे हो? Who are you going to meet? Who are you going to meet? क्या तुम मुझसे कुछ कहना चाहते हो? Do you want to say something to me? Do you want to say something to me? तुम्हारा पसंदीदा गीत क्या है? What's your favorite song? What's your favorite song? क्या तुमने ये पहले किया है? Have you done this before? Have you done this before? तुम कब सोने जा रहे हो? When are you going to sleep? When are you going to sleep? तुम्हें कौन सा खाना पसंद है? What food do you like? What food do you like? तुम कब तक यहाँ रहोगे? How long will you stay here? How long will you stay here? क्या तुम कल आओगे? Will you come tomorrow? Will you come tomorrow? तुम किसके बारे में सोच रहे हो? Who are you thinking about? Who are you thinking about? क्या तुमने अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी की? Did you finish your studies? Did you finish your studies? तुम अभी तक यहाँ क्यों हो? Why are you still here? Why are you still here? क्या तुमने खाना बनाया? Did you cook the food? Did you cook the food? तुम्हें किसकी जरूरत है? Who do you need? Who do you need? तुमने उसे क्या बताया? What did you tell him? What did you tell him? तुम कब उठोगे? When will you get up? When will you get up? तुमने मुझे ये क्यों नहीं कहा? Why didn't you tell me this? Why didn't you tell me this? क्या तुमने कभी कुछ चुराया है? Have you ever stolen something? Have you ever stolen something? तुमने कितने पैसे खर्च किए? How much money did you spend? How much money did you spend? तुम अभी तक कहाँ थे? Where have you been so far? Where have you been so far? क्या तुम मुझसे मिल सकते हो? Can you meet me? Can you meet me? तुमने मुझसे झूठ क्यों बोला? Why did you lie to me? Why did you lie to me? सो दैट्स फॉर द टुडे। आज की वीडियो में इतना ही। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो, वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोज मिलती रहेगी। सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय, कीप लर्निंग।